uh, position. And that is where we get one of his arms inside and his other arm outside of our legs. Now, in an SA situation, he may do this for you organically. He may reach back. Here, reaching between your legs, boom, and now you can get to this position. Okay, so another way to learn to do this in jiu-jitsu is just by controlling the wrists. So we push one of the wrists towards his chest, we pull one away, my legs come wide, almost like I'm doing a split. Okay, legs open, okay, he can posture out. Okay, so as soon as I pull this across, I'm gonna grab my shin and see how I'm looking at the top of his head. I want to change my angle so I'm looking inside of his ear. Okay, so my left leg is gonna step on his hip. Okay, and I just want to pivot my entire body so I end up looking into his ear. From this position, I'm gonna close my legs. Okay, I'm gonna bring posture legs. Now, however it happens, he may do this for me. Okay, or maybe I have to do it. Push, pull, legs come wide, and I get to this one arm inside, one arm outside scenario. Pull the arm across, grab your shin, and now we are looking at the top of his head. As hard as I squeeze here, he's not gonna tap, okay? But as soon as I grab my shin, step on his hip, and get to this angle, okay, now the token and his shoulder is visible here. Look, I'm gonna squeeze as hard as I can, okay? He's not gonna tap. Maybe hold down on the head here, maybe I'll get the tap. Okay, but in terms of efficiency, we always want to make this shoulder disappear. And the way we're going to do that is by getting to this angle. So here, once again, I'm looking at the top of his head. Okay, I want to change. So look, as I change my angle, you're going to see his shoulder disappear. Okay, I'm going to scoop the arm. Okay, I'm going to change my angle, and look how my thigh covers the shoulder. Okay, now